You've got that one photo. The lighting is perfect, your expression is spot on, but the background is a disaster. Usually, you'd have to open Photoshop and spend an hour wrestling with selection tools and masking brushes just to fix it. But it's 2026, and frankly, that's the old way. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a professional $5,000 lens look on your personal photos in about 30 seconds using the engine hidden right inside Google Gemini. The secret to making a photo look expensive isn't just blurring the background, it's how you blur it. Most beginners make the mistake of asking for a blurry background, and the AI gives them a flat, muddy mess. To get that elite look, you need a prompt that covers the physics of real photography. Let's run through the workflow. Open Gemini on your desktop and upload your photo. Once it's there, enter the following prompt. Precisely blur the entire background while keeping the main subject perfectly sharp and in focus, using accurate edge masking to maintain clean, natural separation without haloing or spill. Apply a realistic depth of field effect with smooth, optical-style blur that matches the scene's lighting direction and perspective. Preserve natural skin texture, anatomical accuracy, original colors, lighting consistency, and fine details on the subject. Ensure scale, depth, and background gradients remain realistic. Maintain original image resolution and overall quality, avoiding artificial smoothing, distortion, oversharpening, exaggerated HDR, or stylistic changes. Click Enter. Now, why does this prompt work? Because it tells Nano Banana to act like a physical lens. It specifies optical-style blur, which tells the AI to calculate how light actually hits a sensor. It also prevents that cardboard cutout look by demanding accurate edge masking. Wow! Look at the result. Within seconds, Nano Banana analyzed your photo, mapped the depth of the image, and applied the blur exactly where a real camera would. Now, sometimes you might not be happy with the result. Most beginners mess this part up by accepting the result as is. Remember, this is a conversation. If the background looks too blurry and feels fake, just tell Gemini, make the background slightly more recognizable. Nano Banana will recalculate the depth of field instantly. Here is a pro tip. One common mistake is trying to change too much at once. If you try to change your outfit, your hair, and the background blur in one prompt, the AI might get confused and lose the real you. Focus on the background first. Get that creamy, cinematic bokeh locked in, then move on to other tweaks. The beauty of Nano Banana being integrated right into Gemini is the speed. You can iterate, you can try 5 different versions of the same photo in the time it would take Photoshop to even launch on an older computer. You should leave this video feeling like a pro, because with this prompt, you effectively are. You don't need a degree in graphic design. You just need to know how to give the right instructions to the most powerful image engine on the planet. If you're ready to turn your camera roll into a professional portfolio, go try this right now. If this prompt changes the game for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI workflows. Comment below and let me know what you tweaked. I will see you soon.